Dua isn't just asking, it's connection, it's healing, it's surrender. But what if you could make your dua even deeper, even more powerful? When your heart knows who you're calling, it transforms everything. When you call upon Allah by the names that perfectly match your need, something shifts. The heavens listen, the earth moves, your heart awakens. Allah doesn't just have names, He has the most beautiful names, Asma'ul Husna, and He told us, "To Allah belong the best names, so call upon Him by them." Qur'an 7:180. This isn't just a recommendation, it's a gift, a secret to unlocking doors you didn't even know were locked. Feeling like you've been trying everything and nothing is working? Say, Ya Fattah, O Opener. Open the doors that are sealed in my life. Open what I cannot unlock on my own. Open my heart to trust you again. Struggling to earn, to find peace in your provision? Say, Ya Razzaq, O Sustainer, O Provider. Grant me provision that is halal, blessed, and enough. Feed my body and nourish my soul. Buried beneath sins, shame, and regrets? Say, Ya Ghaffar, O constant forgiver. Erase my sins, the ones I remember and the ones I don't. Forgive the moments I forgot you were watching. Is your heart heavy with grief or anxiety? Say, Ya Salaam, O source of peace. Send peace to the corners of my heart where pain still lives. Make me feel safe in your presence. Feeling broken, unworthy, or distant? Say, Ya Jabbar, O restorer. Put me back together. Heal what's shattered inside me. I know you can, because you are Al-Jabbar. Struggling to find direction? Say, Ya Hadi, O guide. Guide me to the path that pleases you. Show me what I'm not seeing. Protect me from what looks good but isn't. Craving love but feeling alone? Say, Ya Wadud, O most loving. Fill my heart with your love. Let me feel chosen, valued, remembered by you. Your dua becomes more than words when your heart understands who you're speaking to. When you feel His names, when you call upon Him with certainty, you're not just reciting, you're reaching. You're not just hoping, you're trusting. You're not just asking, you're witnessing His power unfold. Every name of Allah is a doorway, a key, a reminder. You're not alone. You're not powerless. You're not forgotten. You're invited to call. And not just call, but call by name, with meaning, with heart, with tears if needed. Allah loves when you call upon Him using His names. He is Al-Mujib, the one who responds. So, next time your hands are raised, don't just say, "Oh Allah, help me." Say, "Ya Kareem, O generous one, I trust in your endless giving. Ya Latif, O subtle one, show me the wisdom I can't yet see. Ya Basir, O all-seeing, you know what's in my heart even when I don't have the words." Because when you ask Allah by the name that fits your need and believe in what that name holds, you're not just speaking, you're activating His mercy, His power, His nearness. So, what do you need right now? If you need strength, say Ya Qawi. If you need relief, say Ya Rahim. If you need forgiveness, say Ya Tawab. If you need protection, say Ya Hafiz. If you need light, say Ya Nur. Say it like you mean it. Say it like He hears you, because He does. Even in your silence, He knows. Even in your pain, He sees. Even in your lowest moment, He is closer to you than your jugular vein. But when you call upon Him by name, you invite divine presence into your storm, and storms obey Him. So don't just make dua, make it personal. Make it precise. Make it powerful with His names. And then, watch what happens. Share this with everyone to help them get their du'as accepted and more rewards for you too from Allah.